Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics too. So we will discuss about the semi-solid dosage forms. Semi-solid dosage forms are mainly meant for external application. For example, ointment, creams, jellies, pastes, poultices. In that we will discuss about the pastes. The pastes are generally very thick and stiff semi-solid preparations intended for external application to the skin. They do not melt at the ordinary temperature and thus form a protective coating. Pastes are classified according to the base employed in their preparation. Pastes are classified as solid colloid base, which containing solid colloid base, then with the gelatin base, with the starch base, with the tragacanth base, polyethylene glycol base, cellulose derivative base and pectin base. Method of preparation of paste are by trituration method and by fusion method. Recommended containers for these are semi-solid preparations are dispensed in the glass or the plastic jars having the screw caps with the impermeable liner. They should be stored in the well-closed container so as to prevent the loss of volatile constituents. They can also be supplied in the plastic or metallic collapsible tubes. The special labeling instructions are stored in a cool place and for external use only. In next sessions, we will see the actual experiment. Experiment number 66. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit the zinc oxide and salicylic acid paste BP 10 gram, which is given in the British Pharmacopoeia. In this we will study the formulation and method of preparation of zinc oxide and salicylic acid paste. Learning objectives are to understand the type and the purpose of the paste and ability to submit the preparation with the accurate label. Apparatus required are beaker, measuring cylinder, ointment slab, ointment spatula. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 1000, that is equal to 0.01. Prescription is denoted by the symbol Rx. Zinc oxide finely sifted to 40 gram. Salicylic acid finely sifted 20 gram, starch finely sifted to 40 gram, white soft paraffin 500 gram. Let's discuss about the formulation table. Type, that is category, user, role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. As we don't have the quantity in the imperial system, as there is no quantity given in the Latin terminology, so we directly have the quantity given in the metric system to prepare up to 1000 gram and quantity taken in metric system to prepare up to 10 gram. So first of all, zinc oxide finely sifted used as astringent, antiseptic, soothing and protective agent. Quantity given is a 240 gram, taken quantity should be 2.4 gram. Salicylic acid finely sifted, which is used as a keratolytic agent, that is quantity given is a 20 gram, taken quantity should be 0.2 gram. Starch used as a finely sifted, quantity given is a used as a base and the binder. Quantity given should be the 240 gram, taken quantity should be 2.4 gram. White soft paraffin used as a emollient. Quantity given is a 500 gram, taken quantity should be 5 gram. Direction to be used as directed by physician. So we have, this is a zinc oxide which is previously weighed, this is salicylic acid, this is starch and this is white soft paraffin. So now I am adding this white soft paraffin into this evaporating dish and we will proceed for next heating part. So now we will proceed for heating of this white soft paraffin on this water bath, and after melting of this white soft paraffin, now I am going to add the zinc oxide into it. Then stir this formulation. Again, after adding zinc oxide, now I am going to add this salicylic acid into it. Again, stir this formulation properly. Then I am going to add this starch into this and again stir our formulation properly. After mixing all these 4 ingredients, we will stir it properly for proper mixing, and after mixing, now we will wait till it becomes cool. Now as this paste formulation becomes cold, so I am going to transfer it into this container and then we will proceed for next labeling part. So now we will move for labeling part. Labeling of formulation paste 10 gram for ABC, that is name of patient. Register number is XYZ, that is number given in the register. Dispensed by PQR, which is the name of pharmacist. Manufacturing date is September 2020. Storing is submitted in this wide mouth bottle for inspection with inspection labeled as